What is up there, everybody? Citrus Aviation here for yet another video. And today we take a look at another really unique model airplane, and this one is one that I got a really good deal on, and it's one that anyone can get a good deal on because it is available from the Team USA store at a very significantly discounted rate. And again, this is just like the 200 scale version of this model they came out with last year. It's way better to buy it from the store than it is to buy it from any other retailer. So this is the Gemini Jets Delta A330-900 in the Team USA livery. Mine kind of is not in all the way in the box, so that's a bit disappointing. But typically an A330 like this in 400 scale is probably about a $50 to $60 model airplane. I got this for a lot less than that. This is $32.95 on the Team USA store. And then there's $10.92 of shipping. So in total, I was out $46.88 after shipping and taxes. So that's really good comparing to what it would have cost to bought this model from a retailer or even from eBay, which you can see that eBay retailers are selling this for like $50, $60. So let's take a look at it. Very unique aircraft and a unique model, and so we'll take a look at it here and talk about it. So this aircraft is a Delta A330-Neo. It is the eventual replacement for the Delta A330s in Delta Airlines fleet, and it will also be most likely replacing the Boeing 767-400 and eventually 767-300 as well, as Delta moves towards a more unified all Airbus wide-body fleet. This particular aircraft is November 411 Delta X-ray and wears the amazing Team USA livery to support the United States Olympic teams in the 2022 Winter Olympic Games. This livery is really nice with the Team USA titles across it and some nice blue and red accent lines on the aircraft as well, and some Olympic branding throughout the aircraft. Taking a closer look at this model, here we have the nose cone and the cockpit windows, which have the black cockpit mask that's become really popular on a lot of Airbus aircraft in the last about 5 to 10 years, particularly with their Neo series aircraft, as well as the Airbus 350s have it. Really nice detail there. One nice thing is this model, unlike the 200 scale version I got, did not come with any parts missing, so there's no antenna missing up top. You can see that we got the front antenna on this one, unlike on 200 scale version where I had to request a new antenna to be sent to me. We have the SkyTeam logo, the L1 door, and then just to arrive at, there's some of the awards that Delta has won for the cabin products. We have the United States flag and the Olympic symbol, Delta Airlines title, and the first class cabin. Got the L2 door, and again some of the awards that Delta Airlines has won. Team USA branding. We got the engines, which look really nice and have great fan blade details on them. There you can see really nicely detailed engines. Got inboard lights there for the landing lights and taxi lights. The main gears tilt, but the wheels do not roll very well. That's a common issue for a lot of Gemini Jets JC Wings models, that the wheels technically roll, but they don't really want to. The winglet is purple. I wish what the winglet they had done what Delta does to the 350, and that is put the Delta logo on the winglet, but they only do that on the A350. Team USA titles, once again, SATCOM box, antenna, another antenna, registration, and we got a emergency exit door, check mark, and of course the Delta Airlines tail with the Delta widget and the APU housing detail. Overall, this is a really nicely detailed model. Now over here you can see the cargo bin doors. Now I know some people on this side had some issues smudging on their models. I have not had that on this one. This one looks to be in outstanding condition with no issues I am aware of. Again, we got another cargo bin door back here as well. But yeah, really nice model. The detail's great and the price is the best thing. This and the 200 scale version were available on the Team USA store, and you could have picked this one up for $33 before shipping, which is a really good deal, and the other one was $77 before shipping. So to close out this video, I brought both versions of this model here for you to take a look at. Got the 200 scale version that we got last year, and now this year we get the 400 scale version of the Delta Team USA Airbus 330. It is an incredible model and a really nice addition to the collection. both variants are nice, and they're both great prices. $77 for the 200 scale version and $33 for the 400 scale version. Really good deals and very good prices, particularly in the current era. That's nice to see. You can get an affordable model airplane for the really high-end die-cast market. The 200 scale version does come with a stand. This one is a stand I just have. It doesn't come with a stand. Generally, 400 scale models do not, whereas 200 scale models generally do. But yeah, it's cool to have both of these. I'm a big Delta collector and a big fan of Delta Airlines, so I'm really happy to add these to my collection. And you'll see them throughout the channel in different ways. And so yeah, it's really cool to have these models. And if you're looking to buy a really affordable, really nice model, because genuinely the JC Wayne's Gemini Jets A330-Neo is a nice mold. And generally, from my experience, the QC is not too bad. There have been some QC issues, like I still need to install the antenna for the 200 scale model. But my 400 scale model came with no defects that I'm aware of. Maybe at some point I'll discover one or two, but no defects that I could tell. It's a good model, good price, looks really nice, and will look great in your collection. So that's basically it for this video. I want to thank y'all so much for watching these. These single model showcase videos, particularly recently, have done really well. I did one with the Dreams Take Flight 787 and with the KLM and with the DHL 777F opening doors, the interactive series one, that did really well. And then the Fantasy Wings video I did really well. So it seems like y'all really enjoy those special kind of unboxings. So I really appreciate y'all for watching and enjoying these videos. They definitely do help me to be able to afford these models, as you watching the videos actually helps to pay for the models that I'm showing in this video. This model was paid for entirely by YouTube income. And of course, I set the goal for 2023 to buy all of my models this year only from YouTube income, which I've been doing so far, and it's been fantastic. So thank y'all so much for watching and for supporting these videos. Hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and God bless you.